For most enthusiasts, the privilege of owning a classic car isn't about numbers or return on investment. It's about making a statement. It's about the excitement of the roar of an American V8 at their back. That's why rides like the slick 69 Camaro have such a loyal following. Sure, you'll probably see another one at the show, and it might not turn into a six-figure asset over the next decade. But it's cool, it's stylish, it's unique, and it provides a whole lot of enjoyment. This vivid Chevy is the beneficiary of a detailed restoration that was completed in late 2011. When the car's body was solid and smooth, Daytona Yellow 2-stage led hours of careful color sanding. When that sanding was glossy and level, a fresh vinyl roof followed Tuxedo Black Super Sport stripes. And today, this Camaro preserves some of the best attributes of storied Chevrolet history. Open the doors and you'll find a customized leather interior that wraps firm Corbeau seats and a nice blend of classic flash and modern flair. In front of those seats, a factory dash hangs rebuilt gauges beside vintage air climate control and modern Alpine audio. A factory console balances a polished Hurst shifter behind factory 4-pack accessory gauges. And in front of the driver, a Rosewood steering wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a polished and painted 396 that during the car's restoration was bored 60 over, fitted with forged pistons, and fully rebuilt with top-notch hardware. Backing that beastly motor is a proven Muncie 4-speed. Well-built, fully detailed, and attention-grabbing in every way, this Camaro backs a whole lot of show with a whole lot of go. In summary, it's what every car guy wants: speed, style, and endless good times. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.